Hi guys, I'm Sarah and it is my birthday today, yay! Now my daughter Sam was going to make me a cake. Usually I let the kids make the cake, but I wanted to make a video out of this one and only 1 out of 3 was really keen, and she's actually just got an upset tummy. I had to pick her up from school. This is actually an old recipe of my mum's. It's totally classy. It's been done with a typewriter. This isn't just written out, you know, this is typewriter, that's classy. And you can tell on a typewriter something is extra classy when it's got these things. See that in between? So thank you Mum for giving me this recipe. So in a bowl, I need about 50 grams of butter or, you know, cheap table spread. Then about 115 grams of sugar. Beat those together until they're nice and creamy. Into here, I'm going to add 4 egg yolks and just keep the whites to one side. Mix those in. Now we want to sieve in 115 grams of self-raising flour and then add in 5 tablespoons of milk. Just put those to one side for now. So to get these egg whites and whisk them, make sure you use a clean bowl, whisk them until they form stiff peaks. There we go, stiff peaks. So then we want to gradually whisk in about 230 grams of sugar. Now we're going to divvy this out and spread it between those two. Then we're going to cook these at about 150 degrees Celsius for about 35 minutes. Excuse the chaos, I'm making dinner at the same time. However, my assistant Sam, who has now roused herself enough to help me, is going to put 300 ml of cream into that bowl. And I am going to put a teaspoon of icing sugar in with it. To assemble. Traditionally, this is also meant to incorporate flaked blanched almonds, but that's a bit expensive for my tastes, as is the tin of whole cherries. I'm not going to get tinned cherries or glazed cherries or anything. What I am going to get is these blackberries, which we foraged for free and put in the freezer. So we have one of those cakey things. Going to get half the cream, slop it on. I'm going to get however much blackberries I want because it's my birthday.
I just don't want too much blackberries.
Well, it's not up to you. It's not your birthday, it's my birthday.
I know, but too much blackberries just gets annoying.
That's your opinion. Now, here's the important bit. Remember to take the baking paper off the bottom of this. Because I may or may not have forgotten to do that when it was Sam's birthday. And I couldn't figure out why it was so hard to cut. Yeah, I had a nice big cake with a big layer of baking paper. Get that. Put on the rest of the cream. This is rustic and gorgeous. And will you take a look at that?
Happy birthday to you.
Oh, it won't come true. We're not winning Lotto this week, love. Sorry. That is awesome. The actual cake itself, nice plain sweet cake. You get the little crunch of the meringue in there. You know, you get the cream, the blackberries, they're nice and tangy. It is yummy, and it's fairly easy, and it looks impressive, I reckon.
They're very rustic.
Rustic glory. There we go. Boom. Hit like, leave a comment, subscribe. Make cake. Oh yeah.
Eat cake. It makes my face look all pale on there.
Your face is pale, love. You are a very pale person.
Pure white.
You are. You're like Snow White, but without the black hair. And the ruby red lips. But you've got the right skin to be Snow White.
Also, I have blue eyes. Didn't Snow White have brown?
Did she? Okay. I don't know what colour eyes is Snow White meant to have. Someone could leave a comment down below and let me know.
I'm pretty sure she put lipstick on.
You reckon?
Yeah.
You reckon her lips were not naturally as red as a red rose?
Yeah.
Oh, that's disappointing.